Misayo CNC is a professional CNC machinery supplier. At Misayo CNC, we design and supply CNC routers for milling, drilling, engraving and cutting of plastic, acrylic, wood, copper, aluminum, stone and other materials. In addition, we also supply advanced woodworking machining center. Misayo CNC expanded its presence with involving more than 200 kinds of industries. For example, advertisement, decoration, marking, labor industry, panel furniture, solid wood furniture manufacturing, mold manufacturing, as well as crafts and gifts. In China, we've taken pride in earning a reputation for innovation and customer satisfaction. We use only the reliable component parts like HSD spindles and delta inverters to build equipment that you can depend on. All our products, from the most economical models to the most complicated ones, are invariably precision engineered in the machining facilities. Standard processing and multi-level inspection, ensuring each machine reach qualified standard before dispatching. We keep most machines in stock and can typically dispatch equipment in 72 hours or less, so you can get working as soon as possible. We can provide on-site training and service for customers. All around the world, all around the clock, we are always here for you.